Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Cora's Quilts studio. If we haven't met before, my name is Shelley Cavanna, and I'm the creative mind behind Cora's Quilts. I am a quilt pattern, fabric, and cross-stitch designer, and I write quilting books like the Barnstar Sampler. And today I am so very excited to give you your first look at my brand new book called the Flower Farm Sampler. This book is actually a sister publication to our Barnstar Sampler book. So if you loved that book, we're pretty sure you're going to love the Flower Farm Sampler book too. We've put a lot of thought into building these 7 new projects so that the book can be used in a variety of different ways, giving readers the opportunity to not only grow their quilty skills, but to grow their very own flower-filled quilty gardens too. The main feature of the book is our Flower Farm Sampler project, and it is a gorgeous modern sampler quilt featuring 18 floral-inspired quilt blocks ranging in size from 4 inches to 24 inches. For quilters who are looking for a block of the month style project, the instructions for each individual block also include a separate materials list just for that block, so that it's really easy to split your total yardage into block of the month style segments. We know that choosing fabrics that match the projects in an original book can be really challenging. So we've worked with our partners at Benartex Fabrics to ensure that as of spring 2025, all of the prints in the book from our Secret Garden fabric collection are still in stock. You can ask for them at your favorite quilt shop, or you can order them online through the Cora's Quilts website. In addition to the main sampler quilt, the book also features 6 additional projects, each showcasing a couple of blocks in a different setting. Bridget's Garden celebrates the first blooms of spring and showcases the gentian and dahlia blocks. I love a quilt with on-point blocks, and the Pretty Maids quilt was the perfect chance to show off some of my favorite indigo and aqua prints. The Primrose quilt gives our primrose blocks the chance to shine, and with the addition of some simple stitch and flip corners, we're able to transform that simple primrose quilt block into a gorgeous mosaic-inspired quilt. The Tulip Farm quilt is another fantastic lap-sized quilt. And by adding, again, some simple stitch and flip corners, when the blocks are joined together, it creates this really fun secondary starry design. It might seem odd for the smallest, simplest quilts to be located at the end of the book, but if you've worked your way through several of the previous projects, then chances are that you have some leftover scraps just waiting for their chance to show off. The Climbing Roses mini quilt is a fantastic project that can be used as a baby quilt, a wall hanging, or even a table topper. And finally, our Among the Wildflowers table runner is a fun and flower-filled project that gives all of those tiny blocks a chance to shine. This runner is a great way to use up a variety of your leftover scraps and to make a companion project that matches some of the larger quilts. Thank you so much for letting me share this new book with you today. If you loved our Barnstar Sampler project, then I know you're going to find so much joy in building your own quilty gardens with our brand new Flower Farm Sampler book.